since I was little, I always liked art. It's just always been a big part of my life, from my sisters to my mom, grandparents, all draw. So that was something that I wanted to go into, and I'm still very interested in.
I wanted to go to a high school that was fit for me for my art passion, because I wanted to do art and make art and show my art out. And Mervo had a graphic design trade, which was even better for me because I could get into graphics and do so much more and expand my horizon on what I have right now. So yeah, that's why I chose Mervo.
Honestly, I just really could not see myself doing anything else. A lot of different trades kind of tie into graphic design, and I think that's something that a lot of people wouldn't know.
The confidence I have inside this room, it just made me like what I do in here. Using a heat presser, embroidery, like I can do whatever design I want into a sweater. Like that's actually pretty cool for me.
In the shop itself, in my trade, I had to learn most of the machines and the safety hazards of it. It was tough. It was a long process, but at the end, it was so worth it. Like, I feel like that achievement and being certified just made me feel like what I was doing was worth it and that I can do more, because now that I've got my certification, it's moving me to do more in Adobe. I want to learn in design and get certified in that as well. Maybe a little bit of Lightroom. So I've been able to print things on my hoodies, my shirts. I've been able to do things for others, make designs and logos for others here. I've been able to make posters and a bunch of graphics, and I'm just proud of myself, and I'm happy I chose what my heart wanted and I went with my heart. Yeah, I'm just glad I did it.
From being here, I think I learned to trust my creative instincts more and like trust my voice and what I had to say, because I used to be pretty shy. I used to like not really like be out there. Then also I wouldn't trust myself or allow myself to be as creative as I am now. It helped me find that my target audience is not really just everybody. It's a specific audience. I'm learning like not to be like everybody else.
Working with the other girls, it really turned my mindset in like how other people think.
The collaboration is a big part of the class, and the majority of us are really close because we do help each other out a lot. So somebody will be making a design while other people are like pressing the shirts. It's really important to get help because no person can do everything on their own.
I don't know, I kind of wish I had more time, because like I love the community here, especially in my trade. Like it's so much, it filled with so much love, and it's just me. I feel like me when I'm here.